In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default paste options in OneNote. If you often copy text from websites, documents, or emails into OneNote, you may have noticed that the pasted content sometimes brings along unwanted formatting. That can include different fonts, colors, spacing, or odd layout changes that make your notes look inconsistent. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly set OneNote to use a cleaner paste style by default, so your notes stay neat and easier to read. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're working in the actual notebook or page where you want to paste content. This method is helpful when you want pasted text to match the look of your existing notes instead of carrying over formatting from the original source. Next, paste the text you've already queued. As soon as the text appears in OneNote, pay close attention to the area near the pasted content. OneNote will usually display a small paste options icon. This icon is easy to miss if you're moving quickly, but it's the key to adjusting how your pasted text behaves. When you see that small paste options icon, click the drop-down arrow next to it. A menu will appear with different paste choices. From that list, choose Keep Text Only. This option removes the original formatting from the copied content and pastes just the plain text itself. That means no imported font styles, no unusual colors, and no extra formatting that can disrupt the appearance of your notes. After selecting Keep Text Only, click the clipboard icon again. This second click is important because it lets you update the setting instead of applying it only one time. From the menu that appears, select Set as Default Paste. Once you do that, OneNote will remember your preference and use that paste behavior going forward. This can save time, especially if you regularly bring content into OneNote from other sources and want a clean, consistent result every time. That's all it takes to change the default paste option in OneNote. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in keeping your notes organized and visually consistent. If you work with a lot of copied content, this is a great setting to enable right away.